Hello and welcome to setting up a recurring receivable or RE transaction in AZ360. We will be demonstrating this process in one of our test environments, and the screen has been zoomed in for optimal viewing. In our current training scenario, an agency receives a request to set up a recurring RE for customer Kathleen O'Toole Doris that needs to be billed on the first day of every month for the next year. We will locate the RE transaction for this customer in final status that needs to be set to recurring, and we'll complete this update. Note that we are already logged into the AZ360 application, and the accounts receivable business role has been selected in the top right of the screen. We will be moving through the next few steps rather quickly, as we have already detailed them in previous training videos. In the global search field, we will be typing in RE and selecting receivable from the drop-down menu. In the financial transaction page that generates, we will be typing in our agency 3-digit code, so ADA, and in the ID field we will be typing in 24 wildcard *6, using the wildcard to help cut down on results. Go ahead and click search. The RE transaction will generate in the grid at the bottom of the screen. Go ahead and click the hyperlink under the ID column. In the page 3 dot menu, under other actions, we will click future transaction triggering. Please note that only users with proper security authorization may access and update the future transaction triggering table, or FDT table, using the transaction menu for the RE-based transaction. So again, every user won't be able to do the following steps. Go ahead and click create in the top right. Note that the RE code, the department field, and the ID field have all inferred from the RE transaction. The recurring checkbox has also been checked off automatically, and the start date has been set to today's date. Okay, we'll go ahead and fill out the rest of the table. Under the frequency type 1 dropdown, we will be selecting the desired recurrence timing. In this scenario, we will be selecting monthly by date. In the frequency type 2 dropdown menu, we will select the monthly cadence for the recurrence. In this scenario, we will be selecting every month. And in the frequency type 3 dropdown, we will select the day of the month for the recurrence. In this scenario, it will be the first day of each month. Okay, go ahead and check off the hold transaction checkbox. This will enable a review of the transaction before it is ultimately submitted. Note that the active checkbox is already selected and the carry forward amount is not selected. Go ahead and click save and close, and you have completed the process of setting up a recurring receivable transaction in AZ360. Click the home icon to return to the home page.